Hi dear students, good afternoon. This is an English class for Standard 2, Chapter 5, Little Things, written by Julia Ekreni. She was an American poetess. She was born on April 6, 1823, and she was died on November 1, 1908. She wrote this poem in 1845. The poetess tells importance of little things in our life. How can little things make this world so beautiful? So dear students, let's come to the poem and discuss about the chapter. Chapter 5, Little Things. In this poem, poetess tells us about the importance of little things in life through which we can achieve big things. And so the little moments of humble through they we make the might edges of infinity. That means Little Things poem is an inspirational poem about the value of living in the moment and about the power of small acts of kindness. Written kindness. So the poet tells how little things change the world and how each little effort matters. First, I read this poem, then I explain this poem stanza wise. So dear students, you can listen carefully. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love, make our world an Eden like an heaven above. There are two stanzas. First stanza is first four line and second stanza is this four line. First, little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. That means in stanza 1, in these lines the poet tells that little drops of water separately have no importance, but when they are together they make big and powerful oceans. In the same way, this beautiful land of ours is made by small grains of sand. Next second stanza, little deeds of kindness, little words of love, make our world an Eden like the heaven above. That means we learn from these lines that little activities of kindness and sympathy that we do for others make this earth peaceful like an Eden. Eden means garden. Little words of love and affections give comfort to others' hearts and it can fill our surrounding with the love and peace. In this way, our lives may become more comfortable and our society may become more comfortable and our society may become heaven. So, we cannot neglect the importance of little deeds and virtues. And we should keep on doing little virtues to make this world a happy place to live in. That means the poet wants to tell about importance of little things like little drops of water. That means when drops of water together they form an ocean. When sands together they form a land. Like the same way, when our kindness and sympathy together, our world will become an Eden like heaven. That means हमारा पृथ्वी एक गार्डन, एक हेवन जैसा बन सकता है. This is the poem about little things. This is a hard copy. I write some new words with their meaning like little means small in size, might means very heavy and powerful, oceans means one of the large bodies of water separating the continents. Deeds mean an action acts. Kindness means the state of being kind. and Eden means garden. Heaven means the abode of God. Grains means grain. Pleasant means pleasing, nice, happy, etc. And next, we discuss comprehension of this chapter. Choose the correct option. Which word rhymes with sand? Sand rhymes with the word land. Answer should be land. Next, little dash of kindness and little dash of love make a world an Eden. Little dash of kindness and little words of love. Little dash of kindness and little dash of love make our world an Eden. Like little dash of kindness and little words of love make our world an Eden. Next, how many times does the word little occur in the poem? How many times? Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times? 4 times. So answer should be 4. Next, the poet finds a world to be like the dash above. The poet finds a world to be like the heaven above. Now write T for true or F for false statements. That means we should write, if the statement is true, then we should write T. If the statement is false, then we should write F. Snow and fire make the ocean. No. Water drops make the ocean. Water and sand make the land. True. Water and sand make the land. Our world does not need kindness. False. Our world most needs kindness. Next, answer the following questions. This is a long question. First, what makes the mild ocean and the pleasant land? That means हमारी जो ocean and land को कौन बनाता है? Little drops of water makes the mild ocean and little grains of sand make the pleasant land. Next, what do you mean by Eden? Eden means heaven. What is a heaven like? The heaven is full of words of love and a little dash of kindness. What does the author intend for the world in this poem? In this poem, the author intends for the world that the world becomes like a paradise. Answer the number 2. Answer the following questions with reference to the context. Make our world an Eden like the heaven above. Name the poet of this poem. The poet name is Julia Ackland. Write the opposite word of above. The opposite word above is below. Next, word bank, vocabulary first. First, change the words given below by adding E at the end and then read them out loud. That means in these words, when we add E, this meaning of the words can be changed. Like pan, P and pen, when we add P-A-N-E, pen. Rip, R-I-P, ripe, R-I-P-E. Top, T-U-B, top, T-U-B-E. Plan, P-L-A-N, plan, when we add E, plan, P-L-A-N-E. Kit, K-I-T, kit, when we add kite, K-I-T-E. Fin, F-I-N, fin, when we add E, this converted into fine, F-I-N-E. Tap, T-A-P, tap, when we add tap, T-A-P-E. Not, N-O-T, not, when we add E, is converted into note, N-O-T-E. And make these words with their meanings. These words we should match them with their meaning. Might, मतलब strong. Pleasant, मतलब pleasing. Did, work. Kindness, goodness. Words, speech. Next, write C in the box if the nouns are countable and U if the nouns are uncountable. Like mother is a countable noun, you should write C. Hair, uncountable noun, so write U. Pens, countable noun. Books, books, countable noun. Rain, uncountable noun. Sugar, uncountable. Grass, uncountable. Oil, uncountable. Box, countable. Computer, countable. Water, uncountable. Children, countable. Next, fill in the blanks with the suitable countable or uncountable nouns. There are two words, which one is countable noun and another one is uncountable noun. You should put the proper uncountable or countable nouns. Mona is carrying. She has lost dash pencils. Two or much? Two. Because pencil is a countable noun. So she has lost two pencils. Mummy gave dash milk to the puppy. One or some? Milk is uncountable noun. So we put some. Mummy gave some milk to the puppy. Dash oil is left in the pan. Oil, uncountable, some or three, some oil is left in the pan. He has dash money left in his pocket. Money is a countable noun, so we put 9 or some, 9. He has 9 money left in his pocket. I picked dash flowers for Granny. Flowers is a countable noun, some, Ruan. I picked some flowers from Granny for Granny because flowers are singular, plural noun. This is the comparison of this poem. And at last, I also prepared for some homework for you like this. Write the opposite words. That means you should write these words of opposite words like little, evoke, heaven, make, pleasant, land and love. Next. What do we call the water falling drop from the sky? That means when water falls drop by drop from the sky, what we call? We call rain. What have the drops collectively formed? Oceans. What have the drops collectively formed? The drops have collectively formed an ocean. How can the world become heaven? With the deeds of kindness and love, the world can become heaven. And next, we have Heart's question. God has created a beautiful world, but there are some people who are making it dirty by cutting down trees, polluting rivers, etc. Is it right? No, it is not right. What can we do to solve this problem? We can help in little ways to solve the problem of pollution. We can limit the use of plastic bags, reuse whatever. We can restrict wastage of food and other things. We should also buy things that can be recycled. This is the whole chapter 5 little things. So dear students, this is the hard copy in which I write all the question answer of this chapter. You should write it in your English copy and practice it again and again. Thank you.